y'all? Stocks from the streets. Alright, so today I'm gonna talk about you got you a little bit of bread. You gonna throw it into the stock market. You decided, where you wanna kind of put your money at, how you wanna go about it, right? So you got this big lump sum of cash, right? And you just about to throw it in. Okay, so that's the first thing I'm gonna talk about because from what I can tell, this is just a simple thing. Like, okay, let's say you put your money into a stock, but you know nothing about the stock. You don't know whether it's doing really good, it's doing really bad, or what's going on with the stock. So if you take a big lump sum of money and then throw it all in there at once, you don't know if it's a good idea all the way or not. It. Let's say you put your money into a stock and you put $1,000 into a stock and it's on a 52-week high. Like, if it's on a 52-week high, then chances are it might go down or something like that. Like, you don't really know whether that stock will stay and maintain that. Like, you know what I'm saying? Because it's on a 52-week high. Now, maybe, they've been doing that for 2-3 years and maybe it's just a growth stock. But that's something that you need to check and know. If you just pick a company that you like and then put your money in there, you don't know how that company's faring. Like, okay, you put your money in there and it's a 52-week high and then it goes back down to its normal average that it's had for the entire year, and you just put your money in and started losing money immediately. So, that goes into the concept of what people be saying when they say buy low, sell high, essentially, you know what I'm saying? You come into the market not paying attention where the price is, you just bought high. You know what I'm saying? So there'll be less chance of you increasing. But if you, let's say you took a portion of that money and you just bought one share of that stock, and you know what I'm saying, you held your money, the rest of your money, you just left it there for a second to watch and make sure, that this stock is going to do what you think it's going to do. Keep going up, which is, the general idea, right? So you get that stock and you go, okay, I put one share in, it's at a 52-week high, that share goes down a little bit. Then you go, oh, okay, these shares are dropping right here. Let me buy more shares. You know what I'm saying? You buy in more shares at that point when it's low. And then once it starts going back up again, then that's when you getting money and junk like that. So I would say if you got a lump sum of money, try to taper your money a little bit when you're putting it into the market to make sure that you just don't immediately start losing by throwing all your eggs in one basket or putting all of your money in at one time, because the stock market could be having a good day or a bad day when you throw your money in, and it'll throw off the idea of what you were tracking and stuff like that. Because if you throw it in there and it goes down and it stays down because it was on some ridiculous high or a spike that you weren't aware of, then you might not ever get that money back. You know what I'm saying? Which means that you either have to leave it in there forever, or it depends on the term of your investment, right? If you was planning on leaving your money in there for 20 years, then what I'm saying don't necessarily matter, right? Because you think in 20 years it'll still be higher than where it was, right? So, but if you plan on putting it in there for 5 years or, a couple years or a few months, you need to pay attention to that a lot more, because things like that will change. So that would be my bit of advice on that. Like, I made another video talking about, I can't exactly tell somebody what to invest in. Plus, everybody's knowledge base is different. But I would say if you going in with a lump sum of money and you got your stocks picked out, put a little bit of money in there and then watch it. You know what I'm saying? Make sure it's going the way you think it's going to go. And then if it is doing that, then, if it is going up, then on a down day, I'd put more money in. You know what I'm saying? Pick a down day when the stock market's down and the stock is down. Put some money in, save yourself a few pennies. So when it goes back up to the normal, yeah, do that. And also that'll help on your average price per share. You know what I'm saying? Depending on how you invest. Like if you're going for dividends, then your price per share, like your growth won't be as big because you're getting dividend payouts, you know what I'm saying, junk like that. So it's, those are things to think about also. But the goal is, what I'm saying, to put your money in there and not just be losing a whole bunch of money. So if you got a bunch of money, you know what I'm saying, pick out a couple stocks you like, put a little bit of money in them, watch them, see if they worth putting more money into. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of like the trial version. It's like that, you go to buy something or a product or something like that. They give you a 2-week free trial out and not charge you money to see if you like it. You know what I'm saying? And then, how those companies get you, they automatically make you sign up for the beginning, and then they automatically charge you and you forget. That's how they really get you. But what they do is they make a trial run. You know what I'm saying? You got a trial run. So put a trial run on your stocks. You know what I'm saying? Give them a trial run. Be like, yeah, I like y'all, but I don't know. I don't know about y'all. Here, I'll give y'all $5 real quick. Y'all do well with that 5, I'll give you a little bit more. So take a approach like that. You know what I'm saying? Also, I'm kind of new at this channel, so if you appreciate what I'm saying, how I'm breaking it down, hit the like button, subscribe for a player. Let me know that me making these videos actually might be worth it to some people. You know what I'm saying? I'll probably do some more anyway. But, this will keep my encouragement up, right? So stay up, be good at being broke, and get some money. Alright, y'all, I'm out.